Hello friends, today we will see demonstration of wine production. Now here to produce a wine or beer, several microorganisms utilize sugar present in the raw material, and by utilizing this sugar they are producing the alcohol with the help of fermentation technology. So beer and wine are the alcoholic preparation obtained by a fermentation of various raw material. This raw material can be any plant material. Here we are using a black grape for the preparation of wine. Now, what are the reaction takes place during the formation of fermentation? These black grapes contain sugar, which act as a carbohydrate, and in presence of yeast cells, live yeast cells, this yeast cells helps in the fermentation process, and after the reaction it releases out ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Now, whatever the sugar present in the juice is an important parameter for the fermentation process. Now, for wine production, there is one term known as a barley. Barley is the term used to indicate the initial concentration of sugar in the juice. Here we are using yeast, which is known as a Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Now, for this experiment, what are the requirements? For requirement, you have to take a mortar and pestles, black grapes, then sterile conical flask, and then active yeast cells, pH paper, and balloons. These balloons are used for the absorption of a carbon dioxide gas, which releases out after the fermentation. Now, what are the procedure to conduct this experiment or to perform this experiment? With the help of mortar and pestle, we have to crush the grapes, and when the juices are formed, we have to extract it with the help of muslin cloth. After the extraction procedure, now here I am crushing the black grapes, and you can see So friends, we have to perform this experiment for 500 grams of grapes. Now you can see the ample amount of juice are formed over here. Now we will filter it with the help of muslin cloth, and will transfer this juice into a sterile beaker. Muslin. So guys, here the grape juice. Now we will see the pH of this grape juice. What is the pH of this grape juice? So with the help of pH paper, we can identify that the pH of this juice is 3. It is a light pink color, which is similar as a pH 3. So the pH of this juice is 3. Now I will transfer this juice into a sterile conical flask with the help of funnel. Now here I am preparing 2 conical flasks. In each conical flask, I am taking 125 ml of grape juice. So each conical flask is now ready with 125 ml grape juice. Now here in this conical flask, I will add 5 ml of active yeast cells in each conical flask. Now I will add 5 ml of active yeast cells in each of the conical flask. After addition of each cells, we have to cover the lid of this conical flask with the help of balloons. Now, what is application of this balloon? This balloon will absorb whatever the amount of carbon dioxide gas release. Here you can see I have covered the mouth of conical flask with the help of balloons. Now, application of this balloon is used for the accumulation of carbon dioxide. Now, we have to keep it for a 10 to 15 days for a fermentation process, and we will see the result after 10 to 15 days. In result, what we will going to see? These balloons are filled with gas, and the smell of this juice will now turn into a ethyl alcohol, as of ethyl alcohol.